and greetings, hopefully for the last time, my jelly friends. So we are now on step, what is it? 6. Oh man, step 6. Crazy, we made it almost. Let's get some certificates going here, huh? Let's do that. Alright, let's do that. So terminal. Oh, alright. So we're going to be going inside the NGINX. Sort of. We're going to do a couple of commands basically and get that certificate going. So same place where we forwarded all the right in here, where we forwarded the domain over to your inside port for the Docker container or whatnot. This little placeholder here that we had from before, hopefully your Certbot will put its own stuff there, get that certificate going, so that way we could be all encrypted and stuff. So, and again, if you have a domain service that will do that certificate for you, do it that way. It's just easier. Screw it. But yeah, so if you want to do the long way, this is the long way. Yeah, so basically go over to your, you can go here and choose what operating system you have, and you know, choose your stuff, and it'll kind of give you the same guide that we're going to go through here in more detail. So yeah, we're just going to do this, and it tells you the same thing over there too, to remove some spots if you have it already. If not, cool. Otherwise, we're going to install. I think we did this snap earlier, when way back in the beginning, when we were just installing a bunch of random stuff together. But let's see. Not found. We don't have snap. But that's okay. We don't care, because we got this going. Let's go here. We don't have a snap. We don't have snapping. Come over here. I can't see because of this freaking thing. Get down there. My big head. Such a big head. Okay. We're just gonna copy this. This is to get snap rolling. Oops. Wrong keyboard again. And that's exactly what we wanted to see. Alright. So, cool. Let's do this one. We're gonna run that. Oh, so hopefully no news is good news. We're gonna add a repository. Alright. Do the update. Ooh. Hopefully the update should do its thingy thing. And as soon as that's done, which is now, should be able to do it. There. I like that better. So I just went with install snapped instead of this code. Go back a page and yeah, over here where I was originally, we were originally doing it. Yeah, now we'll have it hopefully work. There it is. Okay, let's see if it works. All right. So Certbot is doing its thing. Alright, so we're going to, as soon as that's done, yeah, and then we'll get the next one going with the, with this code, which will add our directories, and we're done, yay. Alright, so let's do that one, the next one up. Done. Okay. Now, this code's gonna let us do a full automation of it. So it'll do its own certificate, and it'll also find whatever needs to be certificated. And that's technically supposed to be it. Just press enter to keep going to the next step. Except for this one. Yes, I agree. There you go. So here I have the option. This was the domain name that I had, right? Remember that? mint.duckdns.org. If you have multiple ones, you'll have, you know, number 1, 2, 3, so on. So I'm just going to choose one. One, and this won't work for me because DuckDNS won't let us do it. But if you used your regular port 80 and or your DNS lets you do it, then everything will work out fine for you at this point. But yeah, I'm using that port 81, and DuckDNS doesn't let me use 81, so this whole thing fails. Yeah, see, there you go. So yeah, but otherwise, that should have totally worked for you. And in which case, right, you just go over to your domain name, mine is mint blah 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 blah, right? You will have a, that's it, just your domain, type in your domain and press enter, go, go, go. Did it work? I hope so, because then you get to do some fun stuff like press this next button, and then you get to choose your name. One. Yeah, that's it right there. And then boom, you're in. Get the hell out of here, yeah. And that's it. Then you start your library. You're good to go. And you can figure out the library. If you made it this far, figure out the library. Your media file's in there somewhere. Go find it. They should be. Go find your, right here, go to folders. And then your media. Look at those Halloween. That's it. Don't pick these. Just stay in media. Okay. That's it. Press OK. You know, do all this other jazz. Whatever. Nope, these are movies. Movies. Oh, I said movies, didn't I? Whatever. There you go. And then you're in. Bam. That's your first library. Nice, dude. Hey, thanks for hanging with me, guys. Somehow we made it through. I don't know how, but we did it. Man, if you've had problems along the way, well, that's cool that you stuck it out this far. If you still have problems that you haven't gotten through it yet, well, hey, go back and do it again. Use AI. Ask it a bitch load of questions. And otherwise, man, good for you. Now you got a Jellyfin. Start adding to your library. Do books, audiobooks, movies, TV shows, whatever. Get it going. Pictures. Do it all, man. Have fun with it. And this is kind of the start. So what we did was we started a server, and you have your whole NGINX running. You can get a whole nother instance of something else, a Nextcloud, which is kind of like a Google Drive but home hosted, huh? Or you can do an image, do your own Photoshop or your own photo database going. You can get all kinds of things going using that NGINX proxy server, and using, instead of having that media directory, you have a different one, a different directory, and you store other data in it. And yeah, this is the start of it, and you can just add as many as you want to your NGINX, and everything can go from port 80 to whatever Docker port you want to go to. Build as many Docker containers as you want. We're using that one 9001 port. Go to 9002 and go to 8000 whatever. Do as many ports as you want. Use it all you want. Get it going. Anyways, thanks for hanging with me, and I hope this worked for you, because it worked for me. Anywho, this was the last one. This was part 6 and part 7, which is having fun with the server. Anyways, hey, remember, there are no answers without a question. Stay curious, jelly friends.